Hello, all. Good morning and good afternoon. I'm truly excited to be part of this event, Women in IT. I am Sowjanya Malla, working for Bayer as Core IT Operations Manager since an year. When I heard about this event as Women in IT, my heart filled with full of happiness. The reason because I was reflecting about my own journey, which I started in 2006 as a 21-year-old entering into an IT field. And today, when I look at back of my 19 years and today where I am working with Bayer, that reflected my own journey when I heard about this name as Women in IT. To give a quick introduction, I am actually based out of Bangalore, but I am born and brought up from a small town on east coast, southern side of India, where it is not common for girls who completed their education to enter into an IT careers. Thanks to my grandparents and my parents who really encouraged me to step into this technology and to start my career back in 2006 into this IT field. And I'm sure many of you here would have been into the similar journey as me who have started back in 2006. Continuing with this, when I really connect what made me to come to this 19 years successfully today, how I am today, is because of wide opportunities we have in information technology and also the support mechanism we have where we can grow together using our technologies and the support what we have. And when we connect to these technologies, there are a lot many cutting edge technologies which are coming in, evolving day by day in this digital era. Back in World Wide Web, it's more like an internet. Today, if you look, the next future journey is towards Web3. What does it mean? It is more that you are controlling yourself on your own content. So that's how this Web3 is giving as an opportunity to many of us to see on how we can be a game changers in this digital era. And how does it build up and where is it used? There are a lot many technologies which are coming across the information technology where we can really use this Web3 based out of blockchain. And for all this, the data is the fuel. And there are multiple industries which are really have started this journey using Web3, and also many have started since years ago on the blockchain. Especially if you look on to the industries like financial industries, life sciences, even oil and gas industries, or automotive industries, blockchain is widely being used. And what is the benefit the blockchain is bringing? There are a lot many benefits. The first thing is the transparency, and then secured way of communicating the data and storing the data. And on top of all of this, supply chain management. Without supply chain management, any industry, it is really hard to really get into an seamless operations. How is blockchain used in supply chains? Let me take my own example, working in Bayer, where we have three divisions: crop sciences, pharmaceutical, and consumer health. Let me take an example within crop sciences. When in crop sciences, we have seed traceability. How is this blockchain used in the seed traceability? From the day you have the seeds sown and to the day you have the end product, could be in corn or even in any vegetable on your plate, on your dining table, there are a lot many processes which are happening. For example, looking at the climatic condition and looking at the type of the seed, looking at the type of the soil, this is all based on the data. And how can you really store this and really bring into a combination on for what climate, what soil is the right soil, and which seeds can be sown. So this is the first point of the data which is stored and available to all the farmers where in Bayer, the seed traceability is one such thing where this blockchain is widely being used. Is the story ending at the seed sown? No. After that, it looks on to how the harvest is happening. And later, how is it going to the distribution centers? And then to our customers. And in between, how the transactions are happening. So there is a process on how the storage of the product is getting stored in the warehouses, and when the harvesting processes are happening, how the packing happens. These are all connecting different blocks with lot many data, and the combinations of the technologies helps the end product in a seamless operations to reach to the end user. So that's how one of the example in our Bayer itself we are using for our crop sciences in our seed traceabilities. And also we have this how, like for example, if you have this particular product in the distribution center, and do we have the enough stock available for this product to distribute to our customers or to our partners in between, then we need to have the traceability of it. A small QR code on the pack helps you to store the data and to really give the real-time data for you to see whether it's possible for us to really give this available information to our customers or to our partners or to our distribution centers. This is how the blockchain is really helping. And with this technology evolving day in, day out, and our future is always, now I can say by 2027 or by 2031, Web3 will be widely used across the world. We are no more onto the internet alone, but our future journey is towards Web3. And along this Web3, all the technologies like machine learning, artificial intelligence, usage of the blockchain, for everything, data is fuel. So that's how our journey is there. And what does it mean to us? Today, women in the IT world are about 28% across all the world population. And in this 28%, if I look out with the statistics, it's not even 15% women are using these technologies, are working under these technologies, are leading the transformation in this technology of Web3. So is this a gap? Not at all. This is a huge opportunity for all of us to really tap on and to unleash our potential and to enhance our skills and to see how we can really take Web3 as our future technology and grow together this journey. In this journey, and then what is this Web3 really bringing up on, right? Let's, for example, when ICICI Bank passed, like since few years ago, it started the blockchain in the financial sector. Likewise, if you look at the automation industries, today, if you just get into a car, everything is built on your IoT tools. If you just get into your home, the connected home facilities with all artificial intelligence, with your data and with your favorites, you can really use on what time, what song you can play. These are all built upon the IoT technologies. So everything is now getting on to this Web3 where you have a secure and you have your own control of this data and the content, what you can use it. So let's use these opportunities and let's drive these technologies to see on how we can tap on our potential and unleash our potential. And as I said, I am working with Bayer. One of the transformation program I am today part of is the CORE program. And this is a huge program in Bayer, which is called CORE, nothing but Customer-Oriented Resilient Enterprise. This is the enterprise which really brings all three divisions of Bayer, crop sciences, pharmaceutical, and consumer health with a simplified business processes using the technologies of blockchain and artificial intelligence, using enterprise as a platform, which is nothing but SAP, RISE with SAP. And this is a program which is transforming the journey to simplify the process across 80 plus countries. What does it mean? It's not only simplifying the business processes, but also enhancing the user experience and bringing seamless operations to the employees of our own organization, in various things, whether it could be an manufacturing of our seeds, or even it could be a manufacturing of our drugs, or even it could be reaching to our consumer health products, or even it is to our customers to see on the availability of information in a transparent and trusted way. So this is one of the program which is giving all these facilities in simplified and enhancing the user experiences. So when we use this SAP RISE, it's nothing but it is built with an in-memory database and stored on a cloud where your response time is quite high, where you do not need to wait for a long time, which is like sometimes it's in milliseconds where you really get your data on your tabs. So that's how it's not only in one of the technology where you can directly use it, it's integrated in multiple other enterprise packages on how you can really unleash and use your Web3 and blockchains. So when I look at this core program alone, when I say that it is about 80 plus countries, it's also covering all the three divisions. When we can really utilize in such a huge, massive transformation, integrating all these technologies, just imagine we have multiple other industries and so many transactions and many other operations happening across the world, which means there is a huge availability of opportunities. And then it's only thing that we need to really start not questioning ourselves, but to grab these opportunities and not to step back with a question of doubt, but to really take these opportunities and move forward. Sometimes what we all women feel is that, are we ready to take up these opportunities? That one question always takes you back and do not take you to see whether you are ready or not. Do not really question yourself, even if you are not 100% sure, even sometimes if you're not 50% sure. Please do not step back, and we has to really take this questioning ourselves, hesitating ourselves, and stepping back has to be removed from ourselves. And we need to utilize these opportunities, what we have in our digital era, with so many cutting edge technologies, what we have coming up, evolving, and really creating a revolution. We need to really move forward on it. Is it only grabbing the opportunities sufficient? No, not at all. We also need to see on how we are really doing our self-reflection and taking the support with the environment, what we have around us, whether it could be people, or whether it could be the sources of the information available in various forms, or whether it could be the experiences of the previously used technologies, the organizations or the programs which have been done. So let's untap all this available opportunities, what we have, using this as a good platform. We need to really come forward and to see what difference we can be and how we can be a game changer in this digital era. And what we also need to look at is finding a right mentor. How much ever we do our self-reflection and whatever resources are available, it's also equally important that you also have a mirror in front of you who can guide you and who could be a good sparring partner to help you out to reach your vision and goal. So having a right mentor is also equally important, along with the confidence and the courage we develop in ourselves. Last but not least, it's always important that we need to ensure that we are not fitting into the IT. We are also in this transformation journey in this digital world, and also bringing a change not only at ourselves as an individual, but also how we are making a change in the world together. So let's all together bring the change, lift up each other, support each other, and quite excited to be part of this event today. So as we, women in IT, let's make a difference, not standing at 28% in the technology population, but let's increase this being not only as a participants, but also leading the transformation and contributing to this transformation using our cutting edge technologies. Thank you so much once again for this opportunity. And I wish you all the best for everyone, whoever is looking out for the future achievements. Thank you.